Have you ever wondered why a simple piece of black iron, forged in a small Tennessee town, remains the most coveted tool in the world's finest kitchens? In an age of high-tech gadgets and disposable pans that lose their coating in a year, there's one kitchen icon that refuses to be replaced. This is the story of the Lodge 10.25-inch Seasoned Cast Iron Skillet, a piece of cookware that isn't just a tool, but a legacy you pass down through generations. When you first hold this skillet, you immediately feel the weight of over a century of American craftsmanship. It's heavy, it's solid, and it feels permanent. While modern non-stick pans rely on complex chemicals, Lodge relies on a secret as old as time: iron and oil. This skillet arrives at your door pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil. It is naturally PFAS-free, containing no PFOA or PTFE. It is pure, honest, and ready to work from the moment it touches your stove. But the real magic happens when the heat goes on. The heat retention of this cast iron is legendary. It doesn't just get hot, it holds that heat with an intensity that creates the perfect, crusty sear on a ribeye steak, a feat most stainless steel pans can only dream of. Whether you are frying eggs for breakfast, sautéing garden vegetables, or baking a golden brown loaf of cornbread, the Lodge skillet cooks with a consistency that is unmatched. What makes the 10.25-inch model the best isn't just its performance, but its incredible versatility. It is a true kitchen workhorse. You can start a dish on the stovetop, move it directly into a screaming hot oven, or even take it outside to a charcoal grill. It's even at home over an open campfire under the stars. With its easy grip teardrop handle, you have the control you need to move from the flame to the table with confidence. Perhaps the most beautiful thing about this skillet is that it actually improves with age. Every meal you cook adds a new layer of seasoning, making the surface smoother and more non-stick over time. It's the only thing in your kitchen that gets better the more you use it. It's durable enough to survive a lifetime of adventures and simple enough to be your daily go-to. In a world of fast-moving trends, the Lodge Cast Iron Skillet stands as a testament to things made well. It's an affordable investment in better flavor and a healthier way to cook. If you're looking for the one pan that can do it all, sear, sauté, bake, and braise, look no further. This isn't just your next piece of cookware, it's the beginning of a lifelong culinary journey. Taste the difference that a century of tradition makes.